Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize track conversions with Meta Pixel no-code detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, access your Meta Business Suite. Navigate to the Events Manager section. In Events Manager, locate the Pixels tab. Click on the pixel you want to use for track conversions. Next, look for the Setup button in the upper right corner. Choose the option that says Use an Integration or Tag Manager. Scroll down to find No-Code Installation options. Select Manually add pixel code to the website. Copy the pixel base code provided. Open your website's HTML editor. Paste the pixel base code between the head tags of your website. Save the changes in your HTML editor. Next, return to Events Manager. Click on Add Events and select from the pixel. Choose what events you want to track, such as purchases or signups. Meta offers standard events that you can select based on your goals. Use the Events Setup tool to define these events. Follow the prompts to set the parameters for each event. Once you have set the events, click Confirm. You can verify the installation using the Test Events tool. Now, simulate the desired actions on your website, like making a purchase. Return to the Test Events tool to see if your actions are recorded. If the events trigger successfully, your setup is complete. Regularly check your pixel's performance in Events Manager. Monitor for any irregularities or missed conversions. This approach ensures effective tracking without any coding knowledge. Now you're ready to use your Meta Pixel for conversion tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.